The Super Bowl is on Sunday, and we know we all look forward to those Budweiser commercials, but it won't be happening this Super Bowl. Anheuser-Busch and Beeve decided to end their 30 plus year exclusive advertising sponsorship of the Super Bowl. Now let's talk about InBev. They're pretty much a conglomerate of beverages and beers. They're the world's largest brewer with over 500 brands. They own 40% of the market, global market that is. However, their revenue declined 30% this past year. So I've never looked at the stock and decided to analyze just to see what was going on. So let's go to the monthly chart. And what stands out to me is this level right here, which is no longer fresh but still valid. And this level right here, which can't see price getting to anytime soon. We'll call that monthly sellers at $82. And we're going to call this monthly sellers at, we'll say 96. Just wanted to see if there was a trend line that we can so in recent months price tried to close above the downtrend line, but it could not. Just want to see what the lows are. So we had the lows at 33 during the pandemic of 2020. What I personally see is price is going to fill this gap. So I'm just going to draw a line here so we can analyze it a bit more. Let's just shade that. Okay, let's go to the, just looking, let's go to the weekly. So we did have price break this short-term trend line. Let me just draw that out. We'll make that a dotted line. But it failed to take out the longer-term downtrend line. And what it appears, what's happening is price, momentum, the buyers have been exhausted. And I just want to distinguish that a bit. So it's kind of like when you throw a ball in the air, it hovers for a minute, then it starts to fall. This is what's taking place. You have wick, 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 wick. This is all selling pressure. So not only did you have a monthly gap, you also have a weekly gap, and that gap is going to be filled, in my opinion, because on the monthly chart, the most recent candle and recent candles could not take out and breach the downtrend line. And that gap fill is at say 56.50. Alright, let's go to the daily chart. So you can see this is a bit more pronounced now. You can call this a double top if you want. You can call this a head and shoulder if you want. But all the signs point to price moving down. Right now price is at 58.05. I believe we're going to close the gap at 56.50, but I believe price is going to go a lot lower. Two areas of interest. I like this area down here. At 47. Let me make that blue. Just trying to see if I see anything else that's of interest. Maybe 52, but no, not in love with it. Okay, so just zooming back out to the weekly, bigger picture. I do think price is going to decline on the order of maybe 15%. Look for the first target to be at 56.50. Next target is going to be 52. Why am I picking 52? We have that line serving as support. Price eventually breached it, and I think it's going to serve as support again. Until next time.